the good old adage of location, location, location.
Yep.
That is probably the biggest truth in luxury real estate.
Yep.
Location, location, location. And that location now depends on different things. It's view, it's proximity, and then you say proximity to what? Well, to the most valuable assets of the area that you're in. Right? So it might be the high-rise living in a more metropolitan area because of the conveniences and the ease of moving around and the time it takes to get to the different places. So now proximity becomes the biggest factor in location, location, location. And you're going to pay more for it.
Yep.
Right? And so
Yep.
I think you have those drivers in every market. So then when you break down those markets and you look, I don't like to bracket things typically because I think every market is different. But I think the things that I am seeing in generalities is I'm seeing that homes are staying on the market in the luxury basis point, higher days on market.
Mm-hmm.
So that is a trend that we're seeing. I think we're seeing less dabbling in certain price ranges. So I do believe the sellers are being educated on what really is the market value in that area.
Mm-hmm.
And they're being priced either right at market or slightly above based on location, based on more things that are upgraded, based on some of the things that are way above average, but still being priced accordingly. I feel like a couple of years ago we were seeing a lot of pricing based on just supply and demand, and they go, well, if they want it, they're going to pay for it.